The Smart Kitchen Revolution. 4 big changes shaping how we cook in 2025. In 2025, kitchens have transformed from mere cooking spaces into intelligent ecosystems. The growing interest in smart home technology, sustainability, and minimalistic living has revolutionized how we prepare food, manage groceries, and design our kitchens. This shift isn't about flashy gadgets. It's about rethinking the kitchen as a digital, eco-conscious, and ergonomic environment. As this transformation deepens, 4 major trends stand out that are redefining how we live, eat, and work in the kitchen. One of the most visible trends is the rise of AI-powered kitchen assistants. Unlike voice assistants of the past, 2025's smart kitchen hubs can recognize ingredients through embedded cameras, suggest recipes based on what's available, and even learn the user's dietary habits. These systems connect with smart fridges, pantries, and ovens, forming a synchronized cooking environment. AI assistants can alert you to expiring foods, recommend low-waste recipes, and adapt menus to calorie goals or allergy restrictions. Families now rely on these systems to handle meal planning, reducing both food waste and stress. They also allow busy professionals to outsource part of their mental load, especially those balancing remote work and parenting. Sustainability continues to dominate consumer priorities, making zero-waste kitchen practices a central theme in kitchen design. Composting smart bins, reusable packaging systems, and gray water recycling are becoming mainstream in urban households. In 2025, countertop food recyclers turn organic waste into compost within hours, making indoor gardening a natural extension of cooking. Packaging-free food delivery services are also integrated directly with kitchen storage systems. Smart cabinets that scan inventory as it's loaded and unloaded. People no longer need to guess how much rice or lentils they have left. QR-coded containers linked to mobile apps provide real-time inventory updates. These innovations reduce overbuying and food spoilage while reinforcing environmentally conscious habits. Another key development is the emergence of modular kitchen layouts. As home sizes shrink in urban centers, efficiency and multifunctionality are taking center stage. Modular kitchens allow users to rearrange their cooking spaces depending on the task: baking, frying, prepping, or cleaning. A popular feature is telescopic countertops that expand or retract depending on the number of people cooking. Induction cooktops that double as prep surfaces when off, and built-in sliding chopping boards contribute to seamless transitions between cooking steps. These space-saving designs cater not only to tiny apartments, but also to families with multi-generational members who need adaptable accessibility. In addition, color-coded drawer systems help organize tools intuitively, minimizing clutter and maximizing flow. Finally, there's a rising movement toward digital recipe walls and visual meal planning. Instead of thumbing through cookbooks or searching apps, many kitchens now include a digital backsplash or projection area, where interactive recipe walls display step-by-step guides, timers, and nutritional info in real time. These can sync with wearables to tailor portion sizes based on your activity level that day. Families can preset weekly meal plans that appear each morning, complete with visuals of ingredients, prep times, and even suggested mood-boosting playlists. This visual-first cooking experience brings clarity, fun, and creativity back to the kitchen, appealing especially to younger generations raised on TikTok and Instagram. It also provides opportunities for healthy eating without requiring users to become expert chefs.